Hello everybody, I'm Tunzi FX. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Now I'm here to bring you a very nice, easy forex strategy that I use to make money from the forex markets. This is volatility 50 index. Now I combine the RSI, this is it right here, my indicator, the RSI, that is relative strength index, with my two moving averages. Right here I have my EMA, my 5 period EMA, my 5 period exponential moving average, and also my 12 period exponential moving average. Firstly, I'm going to show us how to set up these indicators and the moving averages. First of all, you click on your F signal here. So I'm going to delete these settings, then reapply them so you can see clearly and know how to set it up on your trading platform. So I'm going to delete them. So I'm doing right now. So I delete them from the charts. Now there's nothing on my chart right now. Now to set up your RSI and your exponential moving average, click on the F symbol. I go back again. You click on your F symbol right here on the main chart. Click on F plus symbol. You look for your moving average. It is right here, moving average. Now you set it up. You choose a period of 5 period. You leave the shift at 6. Remember, it is exponential and not simple and not smoothed and not linear weight. It is exponential as it is right here. Then apply to close. Then you come right here. You choose your style, the pixel. Now you choose whatever color you want to use as style for your moving average. I will go for black for the first moving average. Then you click on done. You can see right here I've applied the settings. Make sure you use 4 pixels so it can show very clearly on your chart. Then click on done. As you can see, I've applied, as you can see right here, I've applied my first moving average. Then I go again, click on the F symbol. I click on F symbol on the main chart, the F plus again, moving average. Now the second one is 12 period moving average. This 12 period moving average. So again, shift will be 6, method exponential, apply to close, and I'm going to choose another color so I won't be confused. Now I have black here, and I've used black for the 5 period exponential moving average, remember. So I will click on brown. I think I'll prefer brown. Yeah. So still leave my style, my pixel as 4 pixels, as you can see clearly on your screen. Now I'll click on done. I go back. So you can see my 2 exponential moving averages are on my chart already. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the RSI, the relative strength index indicator, on my charts. Now I click on the F symbol. I click on main chart, the F symbol on the main chart. Now I look for my RSI in my indicator here. From the list of indicators, this is it, relative strength index. I click on relative strength index. Now I set the period to 21. It is 21 period, my RSI. Apply to close. Now leave the pixel on 3 pixel. Now levels on your chart, you might have, on your RSI chart, you might have 30 and 70. Please note, whenever you are setting this indicator for this strategy, it has to be 30, 50 and 70. 3 levels. So I'm going to show us how to do this. If you want to add level, you click on the plus sign here. As you can see, click on the plus sign. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete everything. I go back. Now, this is my RSI page again. You select 21 period, apply to close, then whatever pixel you want to choose. I prefer 3 pixel. Now, levels. This is how to add your levels. Your levels, first one will be 30. You add another one by clicking on the plus sign here. 50. Sorry, 50. Then you add another again. 70. And after that, you click on done pixel. Before that, I'll prefer pixel 3. Then I click on done here. Then after setting the levels, I click back. Then I click on done by the right top corner here. Then I go back to check it. As you can see, everything is set. So you can see right here, everything is set. This is my RSI indicator. This is the level 30, 50, 70. Now 30 means oversold. Below 30 means oversold, and below 30 also means the market is overselling. While 50 means it is on a moderate level. That is the strength of the trend is on the moderate level. While if it is 70, the strength is buying and is overbuy. That is the strength of the momentum is strong. That is the buy momentum is strong. If it is around 70, if it is above 70, it is overbought. If it's 30, that is the strength, the momentum of the sell is very strong. Below 30 means very, very strong and it's oversold, which might signals you to close that trade, as it can reverse anytime. So 50 is moderate. Above 50 going to 70 means it is strong buy. Below 50 going to 30 means it is strong sell. Below 30 means it is oversold. Above 70 means it is overbought, and in this kind of situations you might have to close that trade, as it might reverse, as the market might reverse to the opposite direction. Now, after doing this, you can see right now I'm on a trade boom 500 index. As you can see, boom 500 index. I just entered a few minutes ago with my strategy. This strategy works for all time frames. And how does it work? I have 2 moving average here on my, as you can see on my chart, I have 2 moving average here. The black moving average is the 5 period, while the brown is the 12 period. Now, the 5 period moving average, you sell, like in this case, when the 5 period crosses below the brown period moving average. As you can see on my chart right now, you sell. You look for market opportunities. Once you see that the black moving average, that is the 5 period moving average, crosses below or has crossed below the 12 period moving average, it's telling you that there is a sell momentum. Now, to confirm your sell momentum, to confirm if it is false or if it is true, your RSI has to be reading below 50. It has to be reading below 50 to know it is not a false sell signal. Now, in this case, as you can see, when this crossover happened right here, I come here and I see that my RSI is reading below 50. That is, it is not false. This market definitely is going to fall. It is reading below 50. If it is not reading below 50, do not sell such markets. If it is reading below 30, do not sell such market, as it might fall and it might not fall. But below 50 means it is below moderate. That is, the momentum is strong for sell. Right here, the 5 period moving average is a short period compared to the 12 period moving average. So it will move before, it will move below, it will definitely move below the 12 period moving average in a case of sell trade. But in the case of buy trade, this black moving average right here will move above the 12 period moving average. To move above it, and this, before you can buy such trade, this particular RSI, this indicator has to be reading above 50. But in this case, we are dealing with a sell trade right now, so we are not going to talk about a buy trade because this is a sell trade signal I'm showing you right about now. Now, as you can see, like I said, this strategy works on all time frames: 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 and 5 minutes, and even 1 minute as well. As you can see, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. As you can see right here, a crossover has happened at this point on 15 minutes. As you can see, it has happened around this point, 15 minutes, and when it did, it was reading below 50. My RSI was already reading below 50 as at that time. So as you can see, this is a very good signal, very easy and very nice. It can make you a lot of profits. Now, as you can see right now, if you want to, now as you can see right now, before I proceed, as you can see right now, the market is falling. Same thing on 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, crossover has happened here. The black moving average has crossed below the brown one at this point. As you can see it here, look where the crossover happened, just around this, and when it did, this happened. RSI happened. At least RSI was reading below 50, which tells you that is a very sure signal. As you can see, very sure signal. As you can see, I'm in profit. Please, what I usually advise my mentees, whoever is learning from me, to always follow money management. Do not overtrade. No matter how sure you are about the market, please and please do not overtrade, because markets sometimes can be unpredictable. Probably news came out or something can change the momentum of the direction of the market, whether temporarily or permanently. So for you not to be caught on the losing side, always follow money management. Now, as you can see, once the crossover happened, you can see 5 minutes time frame. Once the crossover happened, the market began to fall, and still falling. Now, I'm not going to close this trade yet because it still has more fall to happen. More fall is going to come, so I'm not going to close it yet. As I said, it works on all time frames. It works on 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, and also 1 day daily time frame. But as you know, the lower the time frame, the quicker the profit and the quicker the movement of the market. So as you can see, I'm in profit. The market is still falling. Even in 30 minutes time frame, I just add the crossover just happened here. At least the black just crossed over the brown moving average, and my RSI is just around here below 50. It hasn't moved to 30 yet, so it's still going to fall to 30 and probably below 30 before I could close it. So as you can see right here, let me make it smaller, make my chart smaller. As you can see right here, the market, as a forex trader, you should know about your support and resistance. Now this is a particular support right here, the support right here at this zone, at this area. So market is definitely coming to this zone. So this is where I will set my take profits. Because market is definitely coming to this area, because here is a support zone. So I'm very sure once it comes to this area, my RSI would have touched 30. By then I would consider this market, as at that time I would consider it oversold. So I'm going to leave such markets. Now, what I know about my support and resistance, so I will set my take profit just around here at this 32.83.04. I'm setting my take profits 38. Let me check again to avoid mistakes. 38 38.83.60 38.83.60. That will be my take profit zone. Modify position 38.60.82. There's my take profit. Sorry, there must have been an error here. Let me check again. Probably I made a mistake. Sorry, it's 32.80.60. Yeah, sorry, 32.83.60. 32.83.60. Pardon me. Modify position 32 83.60. Set it. Done. Again, modify position 32.83.60. Modify position again 32.83.60. Now, as you can see, I've set my take profit, so market is definitely coming here to eat it. So I have nothing to worry about this trade. In some minutes, it will definitely fall and eat my take profit. Now, this is, as you can see, this signal, this strategy is very reliable. It is 100% reliable. Once you play by the rules, that is, after a crossover has happened below, you wait, you check for RSI, see if it has crossed below 50 before you sell. That is, if it is a sell trade or a sell signal. So with checking the RSI, seeing that the RSI has crossed below 50, it means it is not a false signal. This crossover happened on your chart is not false. It is very correct and 100%. So now I have particular signal that I want to give you guys on volatility 50 index. Volatility 50 index. Volatility 50 index. As you can see, this market, this particular asset, this index, it has been falling for a while now. Look at it right now. Look, this crossover happened here. This is 30 minutes time frame. Crossover happened here, and when it did, just check it out. When it did, look at the RSI. Look at the RSI. It is already below 50. And look how this market fall. Look at money. This is money. The market fell for how many pips? Let me check. From this point, from this particular point where the crossover happened, 210.46. It fell below this point. That is, it fell below over 400 pips if I'm not wrong. 210.46. 210.46. Wow, you can see that's a lot of pips for a lot of pips, as you can see. Now it shows you how strong this RSI is, how strong this strategy is. It is a very sure, nice and correct signal. All you have to do is be patient and play by the rules. Whenever crossover happens, you wait. Whenever crossover happens, you wait. Come and check for your RSI. If it is reading below 50, you're good to go. But if it is not reading below 50, if it is still above 50, do not enter such trade. Do not sell. Okay, wait till it gets below 50, because there are many false breakouts or false signals in the market. So do not sell if it is reading below 50, if it is reading above 50. When your crossover happens below, you wait for the RSI to read below 50 before you place your sell trade. I hope that's very clear. Now, talking about the signal I want to give you guys, as you can see right here, from what I'm looking at, you can see also on 1 hour, crossover happened. It happened and the market fell. So volatility 15 index is on a very big fall at the moment. As you can see, when a crossover happened here, my black moving average, that is my 5-period moving average, crosses below my brown moving average. Very clear crossover here. Looking at my index as at that point, it is also reading below 50. As you can see, it's reading below 50. Then the market starts falling. I missed out on this move. I wasn't observant enough. I was more focused on some other pairs. But the thing about forex is you live to fight another day. There are always many opportunities in the market. So if you miss out on one, you definitely come across another in no time. So I'm waiting for another opportunity on volatility 50 index by tomorrow. As you can see right here. Now this is my signal I want to give you people. On 4-hour time frame, like I said, my signal works on all time frames. Now a crossover has already happened right now. At this point, it just happened, and my RSI is reading below 50. As you can see right now, my RSI is reading below 50. That is, a market is yet to fall. That is, by tomorrow, market is definitely going to fall. That is, I expect more fall from volatility 50 index by tomorrow. Take it from me, guys. Volatility 50 index is going to fall, and I mean massive. Remember, this is 4-hour time frame, so the candle forms every 4 hours. So you can't compare it to a 15 and 30 minutes time frame. So I have to be patient. I'm going to enter this market tomorrow at the right time when I should enter. Now, if remember I talked about support and resistance. Now, as you can see right here, I expect market to come. This is a support, a resistance zone here. So I expect market to come around this area, to move up around this area. So when it does, it's going to fall. It's going to fall. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow, wait for market to come and retest this resistance. When it does, I'm going to check my RSI and check my moving averages on the smaller time frames. This is 4 hour, so I'm going to wait for the smaller time frames. As you can see right here, on 15 minutes time frame, volatility 50 index has already moved. That's already is going up. The crossover has already happened, but I'm not going to right now. I observed something now. Now, as you can see on volatility 50 index, a crossover has already happened. My black moving average has moved above my brown moving average. You can see I'm not going to buy, because firstly I know that this index, it is downtrend, and secondly, look at my RSI. It is still reading below 50. For me to buy in this kind of situation, it has to read above 50, but it's still reading below 50. So I'm not going to buy such trade. I hope you understand me now, guys. I'm not going to buy yet. I'm going to wait till it crosses above 50 right here before I buy. But I have no intention on buying this trade. I'm more focused on selling at the right time. So market might want to retrace. For those that want to make some opportunities from market, once it crosses this RSI, the RSI is reading above 50, you can buy, set or take profits. But you are going to make just small pips from this, because it's not going to shoot up that much. Like I said, it's coming to this zone. The market is coming to this area. So it's already setting on my smaller time frames to buy. It's coming to this area. When it comes to this support resistance area, it's going to fall, continue its downtrend. So the market is just doing a little bit of retracement. Now, as you can see in my trade, I have a little drop in profit, but I'm not scared because I know the market is coming to my take profit. My strategy has already signaled me, so I have nothing at all to worry about. I have nothing to worry about. So, guys, that is it about RSI and exponential moving average. It's a very easy to make you cool money in forex market. It is less complex. There's nothing complex about the strategy. Play by the rules, then you make money. Be patient, wait for the wait for the crossover, wait for RSI to move below or to read below 50 or to read above 50. If it is buy, it is sell, wait for it to read below 50. If it is buy, wait for it to read above 50 before you place your trade. Now guys, that is all for today for this video. Thank you for watching. I remain 2ZFX. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to your friends so they can also learn from this strategy and make cool money, easy money with no stress. Cool strategy to make them easy money. Thank you. Take care of yourselves.